Buddy, where's your ball? Buddy, where's your ball, honey? Do you know where your ball is? Like he's gonna answer me. Yeah, Mom, it's right over there. You've been snaking a bit, yeah. Oh, I see it now. Maybe he did show me where it was at. There it is. You want your ball? There I go, talking to him like he's going to answer me. But he does understand. You want it? I'm going to keep it. It's my ball. Usually when I say, I'm going to go get your ball, that's when he starts wanting it. Well, he's eating broccoli. Jim threw all this out because it's pretty much done. And there's obviously some broccoli on it. That's broccoli plants over here that we decided to let go of. And obviously there's some broccoli on it, and Buddy's decided to eat some of it. At least you're getting your vegetables. I gotta hand you that. Obviously, being a beagle, he's looking for one thing. Food! He don't care about the ball right now because he cannot eat this, but he can eat that. You little mess. You're a mess. Hey guys, I wanted to talk to you all a little bit about Buddy. Buddy is an 11-year-old Beagle Basset who has been in our family for 9 years. The first 2 years of Buddy's life is a total mystery. We have absolutely no idea where he came from before we adopted him. I say the word adopted rather loosely because we didn't actually go through any official process, and to tell you the truth, I'm not sure there is an official process. Buddy came from the streets. He didn't come from a shelter. He didn't come from a pet store. Buddy was a stray. And when we first got him, we didn't know how old he was, what his name was, or what kind of breed he was. With the help of the Humane Society, we were able to find out that Buddy was 2 years old and that he was mostly Beagle. Now, I have to tell you something that may shock some of you. You all know how much I love Buddy. You all know how crazy I am about him. But when we first got him, I was scared to get attached to him because I was afraid of losing him. Because I didn't know what his story was. I didn't know if someone was looking for him or if he was ditched. I had no idea. You wouldn't believe the people in this neighborhood over the years that have just dropped dogs off thinking somebody will take him. I didn't know if that had happened. And with him being a Beagle, or mostly Beagle, I didn't know if he caught a scent and just got lost and his people were looking for him. I had no idea. My biggest fear when we first got Buddy was, we're going to walk this dog through the neighborhood and somebody's going to recognize him and say, that's our dog, we want him back. So I think for the first couple of months, I was afraid that was going to happen. But my vet really eased my mind. When we took him to the vet for the first time, our vet said, this dog has 3 different kind of worms, which doesn't surprise me because he was from the streets and that's liable to happen when you live on the street, when a dog lives on the street. He had fleas. Again, no surprise. But then the ear mites, that's what really surprised the vet. He said, this dog has ear mites, which explained why he was shaking his head all the time. I mean, all the time. He was shaking his head constantly. He said, don't worry about taking this dog away from anybody, because he's better off with you than wherever he came from, because those ear mites came from his mother. Buddy had those ear mites for 2 years, and whoever had him did nothing to fix them, nothing to take care of them. He has been such a joy to our family, and he has brought us so much love and happiness. And when I mean love, I mean unconditional love. Here, Buddy. Good boy. Buddy, I got a treat. He didn't come for a treat? Something's wrong with this little guy. Oh, sit. Oh, that's a good one. Can I see your paws? Oh, I love those paws. Can I have a handshake? Can I have? Oh, good boy. You'll do anything for T-R-E-A-T. Hey guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button. And if you want to see more videos, please hit the subscribe button. Have a good day.